Today we will experiment with a fun circuit. The one transistor IC disconnected circuit warning device, or simply we can say that this is like an alarm circuit. We can install this circuit, so if somebody enters through the fence and cuts a wire, we will get a warning that somebody is trying to break into the property. Okay. We have arranged the blocks as shown. Turn the circuit on. Okay. Now there is no sound, but if somebody disconnects this wire, then the alarm will go on. Try taking out one point of the wire. Put it back. See, so if somebody trips the wire, then it will sound an alarm. In other circuits, we have seen that how to make the sound like a siren or something, but in this circuit what is different, if somebody cuts a connection or one of the paths of the circuit is broken, then the sound is going to sound, then the circuit is going to work and make the sound. We will see another variation where not only the sound but also the light will work. Good, you have connected the blocks for the alarm for both light and sound. Turn the circuit on. Okay, so now you see there are no light flashing or sound coming. That is because our tripwire is intact. But if somebody will set off the alarm, let us see what happens. Try disconnecting the wire. Right, so now you see that both the bulb was lit and the sound started coming out of the alarm. So this is the next version of the alarm circuit. Did you have fun?
Yes.